What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $200 a day online through typing. If you've ever want to make money typing online, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, before I get into it, I first just want to say if you are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, something that's going to make you a lot of money and you have to do no work, this is not the business for you. Okay? You can go click that next button, go watch the next video because this isn't going to help you out. But if you are willing to put in a little bit of work, I'm going to show you how to make $200 a day right now. So let's go to my computer. I'm going to show you how you can make $200 a day by typing. So we're going to be using the power of Google. I absolutely love Google. One of the #1 reasons why I love Google is because anybody that is, or everybody that is anybody, is going to be here. Okay? So if you want to make money, my #1 tip is to target companies out there looking to make money. You want to make money? Go find somebody else that's looking to make money and offer them a service, such as writing articles for them. This is what I mean. So, when you are writing an article for somebody, okay, what you got to understand is that there's a lot of people out there, okay? Look at this, okay? If I just typed in Seattle landscaper, there's all these different landscapers here, okay? There's a huge list, okay? I'm not going to go through all of them. I already found one that pretty much is the perfect example for what I'm talking about. And the company, down here in the middle of the first page on Google, it's called Rainbow Magnolia Landscaping. If we go to their website right here, okay, here it is, rainbowofmagnolia.com. Okay, cool. Now, portfolio, a services tab, testimonials, contact, and blog. Okay, and you can see their website. Now, what we want to do as a writer is we want to focus on websites that have a blog. So if we click on that blog, we can see it right here. Looking for spring? Look no more. Get out there and check out these home and garden resources. This was done February 23rd, 2019. So not that long ago. Okay, almost a month ago. This was done in July 22nd, 2018, July 21st, 2018, May 30th, 2018, April. You get the point. Now, here's what I want to show you, okay? And this is what I want you to focus on. Now, it is great that this company, this landscaping company, has a website and is keeping it somewhat updated through their blog. That's great. However, people are looking for landscapers all over the country, all over the world. And they don't know where to go. They don't know how to hire one. They don't know who to call. That's where you come in. Okay, let me show you this. So here's a list of the best businesses to target, in my opinion. Landscapers are an incredible, it's an incredible opportunity for us as marketers, as online entrepreneurs, because landscapers and a lot of these different companies right here, they're usually out in the field doing the work. They're not behind the computer trying to get more bids, more jobs, more exposure for their company. That's where we come in. That's our expertise. So we offer to landscapers, window washers, carpet cleaners, maid services, mobile auto detailers, roofing repair companies, and even tile layers. We offer them the opportunity to work with us for a small fee. Work with us, and we will write articles for them. Some of the ones I'm just going to give you some ideas right here. Here are 5 articles. Okay, this is a 5-article pack, and this is usually what we recommend you do. Okay, this is what I started doing years ago. One of the things I started doing was I would write article packs for different companies, and from that I would sell the entire pack to them, and that pack would be going after different keywords. For example, okay, let's say we're going after landscapers in Seattle. Okay, so let's just fill in the blanks. Best landscaper in Seattle. How to choose the best landscapers. Tips on hiring a landscaper in Seattle. Or I could write in the Seattle area or the surrounding, the Seattle surrounding area, something like that. How to save money on landscaping in Seattle. Things to consider when hiring a landscaper in Seattle. You get the idea, okay? All that, okay? Well, I would sell that for, I'd say, to start out, anywhere between $50 to $100. That means for this 5-article pack, you're selling each article between $10 and $20 a piece. Okay. Now, once you have some reputation, you have a little bit of credibility behind you, you can charge $100 to $200, $250, $1,000 or more, whatever you want to do. That's up to you. But to start, I'd say be right about $50. $50 for a 5-article pack. That's $10 a piece. You do all the work, you do all the writing, okay? And the whole goal is to get them for, let's say you want to rank them on Seattle Landscaper, or you want to rank them for tips on hiring a, or how about this, best landscaper in Seattle. If we type that in, let's just go over here to Google. Type that in right here. Best landscaper in Seattle. Okay, I'm going to type that in. Let's see what pops up. Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Porch, House, Seattle, there's a local news company, Expertise, Devonshire Landscapes. Let's click on that one. Okay, because they are on page 1. They're on page 1 right here. Okay, contact us since 1999, West Seattle, Burien, Normandy Park. Okay, great. Their website could use some updating. Okay, it could really use some updating, look a little bit better, look a little bit more professional. Okay, and maybe add in a blog. Okay, we could do all that stuff for them, and at the same time charge them $50 to $100 to get that done. So let me give you some tips. When you are trying to do this, when you're trying to write for other companies to sell them an article pack, such as 5 articles, 10, whatever it is, you need to do one thing, and that one thing is contact every single company you can that has a website. You need to contact every single company and offer them this service. I say this because a lot of these companies, okay, let's say I contacted Rainbow Magnolia. Let's say that's who I contacted. Chances are they're gonna say no. They don't understand the benefit behind getting their name out there on Google. It's all done. They do the article one time, they pay for the work. Okay, either you or them, whoever has access to it, uploads the article, puts it on their website, it's good to go. Okay, so it's there. Now, they will get traffic from it. It may not be 1 million people every single month, but even if they get 5 here, 5 there, let's say they get 5 for this one, 5, that's 25 people every single month that are specifically looking for a landscaper in Seattle. Okay, so what's the likelihood that one of those people calls them and then gets them to come out, give them a bid, maybe hires them, and that landscaping company now makes money? Okay, the odds of that happening are small if you only contact one company. Yes, I understand you contact 100 companies, and let's say, if it happened, let's say 50 of them said, yes, I would love that. Can you get the articles to me by next week? If you have 50 companies all paying you $50 to $100, just to do that work, okay? So was that 50 times 100, $5,000 to do the work for them? You can make $5,000 in 1 week by simply writing articles. That's a no-brainer. Anybody should do that, right? But like I said in the beginning of this video, it's going to take work. You have to do the work. If you don't, you're not going to make any money. So let's say a Seattle landscaper is the thing that you want to go after. Great. Go contact all these companies. Keep clicking to the next page. Contact every single company. Maybe not just Seattle. Maybe you want to find people in Denver as well. It doesn't have to be near you. Okay? Okay? Right there. I'm going to go contact every single one of these companies. It doesn't need to be anywhere near you. Maybe it is Fort Lauderdale. Okay? Again, 2 different parts of the country. One's in Florida, one's in Colorado, one's here in Washington. It just depends on what you are comfortable with. If you have no clue how to write about landscaping and you don't know how to do things to consider when hiring a landscaper in Fort Lauderdale, don't do that. Don't contact those companies. Go after somebody else. Tile. Okay? You do not want a tile showroom. You want a tile installer. Okay? Find somebody, Clad Tile and Stone, a tile contractor. Okay? Century Tile and Marble. You want to contact these companies. Okay? What else we got? Okay, we got mobile auto detailers, maid services, carpet cleaners. Let's do carpet cleaning. Let's do Dallas carpet cleaning. Okay, there we go. You're gonna go contact all these different companies and just see which one could use your services. You may contact dozens, maybe 50 or 100, and you might only get one answer that is yes. But just understand that one answer, that one yes, is going to propel your business to another level. Maybe you send all these different companies emails, but these are contractors. These are people that are busy on a day-to-day basis. So do you think they're going to answer you in the first 5 minutes? No, probably not. But what if they get back to you at the end of the week and you only get one yes in the first week, but in week 2, all those 100 emails that you sent out, what if 15 people decide, yeah, I could use that? So how do we go about it? So now you actually have 16 out of the 100 that contact you back. That's when you just got to sell them. Maybe call them. Let them know you are here to help them out. By you helping them out, okay, you're going to get them more work. What's that going to do for you? They're probably going to come back and hire you again. So it benefits both of you for them to get a little bit of exposure and get some sales because of your articles. So lastly, I'm not saying that this business is going to be something that's going to make you a millionaire by the end of this year. Could it? You could scale this business extremely quick. You could make a lot of money from it, but it's going to take a lot of work. Okay? So what I'm telling you to do is go out there. Interact with the people that are actually running a business. Like I said before, you want to make money, go find another business that their goal is to make more money and offer them a service that actually helps them make more money and do just that. It's pretty simple, but again, you have to put in the work. So if you have any questions on exactly how to do this, let me know. I've been doing this exact business probably for about 9 years. Have been very successful from it. Still do it, okay? Still make money, and it works. 100% it works, okay? So if you have any questions on it, you can ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money online. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.